Penetrate HD, the industrial penetrating lubricant that frees the toughest rusted metal parts. Penetrate HD is a specially formulated mix of oils and solvents that uses new low surface tension technology for deep penetration. Its unique formula penetrates the smallest cracks, crevices, seams, or threads of rusted, seized, and corroded metal parts. The powerful solvents then quickly dissolve the bonds of rust, corrosion, carbon deposits, varnishes, and grease to loosen and free metal parts. Penetrate HD displaces water and leaves a lubricating film to prevent rust and corrosion. Penetrate HD is used for professional and industrial HVAC applications to loosen and free metal parts. Satisfaction guaranteed. In a penetration test, Penetrate HD scored higher than its competitor, Penetrate HD. Available only at nu-calgon authorized distributors.